How to watch YouTube on YouTube TV. YouTube TV offers a direct way to access YouTube content through its app interface on supported devices. Follow these steps to watch YouTube videos from within YouTube TV. Step 1. Open YouTube TV. Launch the YouTube TV app on your device, smart TV, streaming device, smartphone, or web browser. Step 2. Go to the YouTube app. Use the remote or navigation controls to access the Apps or Extras tab in the YouTube TV menu. Look for the YouTube app icon and select it. Step 3. Sign in if needed. If prompted, sign in with your Google account credentials to sync your YouTube subscriptions and playlists. Step 4. Browse YouTube content. Use the search bar to find specific videos or browse through recommended, trending, or subscribed channels. Step 5. Play YouTube videos. Select a video and press play to start watching. You can pause, rewind, or skip videos using your remote or device controls. Step 6. Return to YouTube TV. To switch back to YouTube TV, press the home or back button on your remote and select YouTube TV from the app menu.